Some players have been experiencing Minecraft exit code -1-inch error and stating on screen, game crashed. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Restart your system. Whenever you encounter the crashed error or any game bug, you should restart your PC. Restarting your PC will eliminate any temporary error which is occurring due to the old cookies and cache, or the system's other software is clashing with your gaming software. All of these errors will be eradicated after a simple restart of the PC or any other platform you use. Method 2. Disable connected textures in quality video settings. Navigate to Options, then open Video Settings. Next, go to Quality, then turn off connected textures. Method 3. Update Java and OS. Make sure your PC is running the latest version of Windows. Check for the updates on your PC. Press Win I to open the settings. Go to Windows Update and see if there is any update available. Download and install it, then restart PC and try running the game again and see if that helps. If update Windows that not helps, then try uninstall and reinstall Java. Move on to the next fix if this doesn't help. Method 4. Don't use mods. Though Minecraft mods bring you fun during the gameplay, they can affect your game and trigger issues like exit code -1. Besides, Mojang often release news updates for Minecraft that may be incompatible with some mods. To know if mods are the fault for the Minecraft exit code -1 error, try disabling them. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall Minecraft. Press Windows key, then open Settings. Next, navigate to Apps and select Installed Apps. Scroll down, then uninstall Minecraft Launcher. Final, open Microsoft Store and install Minecraft Launcher again. If still not working, try uninstall, then install Minecraft Launcher on Xbox app.